Hey Wonderfuls, come on in, you're just in time. Thought I would share a few little music related DIY repurposed projects that I built for my jam room. And since most of the instruments belong to my brother or my friends, and some of them are getting taken out of here pretty soon, I figured now would be a good time to show you around. The first repurposed DIY item sits just outside of the jam room at the bottom of the stairs, and it consists of a baby changing table that I removed the top two shelves from and modified one of the cross pieces, then added some slices of diamond willow sticks and screwed those in, and just a bit of a cushiony rubber mat for the bottom. It can hold up to 8 electric guitars and maybe a few less if you're going to use acoustics. It works pretty good and looks pretty not too bad. Let's go see the jam room now. The second item is the easiest one of all, just a repurpose. Didn't take any work or effort, and it is simply a metal case that I used as an amp stand. A couple of little bonus DIY projects are the aluminum garbage can that my brother welded up, and the customized coffee table and guitar stand slash stools that my sister made for my brother. The third, and I would have to say my favorite DIY repurpose, is the mic stand that I built to cantilever over the drum kit, so I can play the drums and sing at the same time, poorly. The microphone stand started its life as a rolling clothing wardrobe, and I reused some of the poles from that, as well as the base and a few of the wheels. Then I robbed another pole from some camping equipment, a microphone holder, a little bit of tape, and a few screws and bolts. Then I added a weight to the bottom to act as a weight, and threw a guitar strap on the back of it so that I can fine-tune the angle of the microphone. Thank you so much for coming with me, and hopefully we'll see you again on the next tour. Are you going to play your guitar?